Alright guys, we are back in the garage looking at the one-piece belt drive T-rail. This rail is attached to a new opener I got, which is this Chamberlain Whisper Drive Plus model HD800D. I got this from work. One of the installers actually saved it for me. This was the first Whisper Drive Plus machine from Chamberlain. First Chamberlain Chamberlain branded opener with a DC motor in it. I don't believe there was ever a version of a 2500 equivalent of the Chamberlain Whisper Drive Plus. I know Craftsman had a 2500 equivalent, but I don't think Chamberlain did. So I just got the head with this one. Let's see. This is the original light lens. This is the equivalent of the LiftMaster 3500. See, the info there is made October 2006. So, my cover's a little bit dirty. Probably could clean it out some. Maybe do that when I'm done shooting this video. Come on. There we go. So, obviously belt drive. Unfortunately, like I said, I just got the head unit. I still need to track down a battery backup for these types of openers. But I do have this power supply thing hooked up, so we can run it that way. There's the back, same stuff as the 3500 has on the back. For the wall control, there goes the motion sensor. I have the Chamberlain 935 CB hooked up. Button is fully working. I have this Craftsman, this Chamberlain remote program. This is the remote. It would have come with this one, came with my 248739. I also have this Keypad model 940D-01. I think by the end of 2006 they probably had switched over to these keypads. Oh yeah, that's the other interesting thing I discovered. I'm not sure if I've ever shown this, but I discovered this about 315 openers. If you have the opener in lock mode and the door is closed, pushing the, because when you push the enter button on a keypad, it pretty much just acts like a remote to close the door. So pushing enter when it's locked will make the lights flash. So, yeah. So anyway, this thing is actually it's quieter than my 3500 is. This thing actually sounds really good. It came off of a wood door, so I mean, a little surprised it sounds as good as it does. But I guess we'll just run it and let you hear it. So here we go. Sorry about the cars going by. There was quite a bit of grease on the sprocket actually. I'm gonna wipe some of that off the belt. But yeah, so nice, very quiet machine. Run it down. A little noisier on the way down. So yeah, the soft stop works great on it. The soft stop growl is great. We can tighten up the belt a little bit, doesn't matter though. It's just set up for a video. I can find where I put the damn remote. There it is. We'll run this again. Actually, you know what? Let's use the keypad, actually. So much background noise. Sorry about that. But anyway. These ones do not have a high-speed mode to them like the 3850s and HD900Ds do. Alright, we'll give you a sensor test. Let me see if the remote will block them enough. Yep, okay. Does have that little delay before the lights flash on it. Alright, let's run this down. Alright, and we'll unplug this thing and I'll show you it running off this power supply thing here. So just like all the other machines, all the relays, like the light relay, still works. You can still hear that clicking. It just doesn't actually turn the lights on, since the lights obviously will need 120 volts. So we'll run it off this power supply. Show you how it works like this. It's just a little bit slower, not much though. And you know, if you trip the sensors with this, it will set off the light relay like that. So anyway, we'll run this back down and that'll be it. And there you go, that's my Chamberlain model HD800D. Thanks for watching.